Science. 12. Paleontology. The field of paleontology, tracing the history of life on Earth. Fossil record. Studying fossils gives us a window into the history of life, documenting the existence of species that are long extinct. Fossils are the preserved remains or traces of ancient organisms, providing tangible evidence of past life forms. By examining fossils, paleontologists can reconstruct the diversity of life, study microevolutionary trends, changes inside a genus or family, and identify the sudden appearance of different groups of organisms. Fossils provide valuable insights into the morphology, behavior, and ecological interactions of extinct species. They also help in dating rock layers and understanding the changing environments in which ancient organisms lived. The fossil record is a key tool for reconstructing the history of life on Earth and understanding the processes that have shaped biodiversity over millions of years. Geologic Time Scale. This chronological dating that relates geological strata helps in understanding the timing and relationships between events in Earth's history. The geologic timescale divides Earth's history into different eras, periods, and epochs, providing a framework for organizing and correlating geological and paleontological data. It allows scientists to establish relative and absolute ages for rock formations and fossils, helping to understand the sequence of events and the patterns of life throughout geological time. By using techniques like radiometric dating, paleontologists can assign numerical ages to specific rock layers, further refining the geologic timescale. This knowledge is fundamental for reconstructing the history of life on Earth and unraveling the complex interplay between geological processes and biological microevolution. Extinction events. Paleontology helps us study mass extinctions, such as the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, giving insights into the fragility and resilience of life. Mass extinctions are catastrophic events in Earth's history when a significant portion of species disappear within a short geological time span. By examining the fossil record, paleontologists can identify and study these extinction events, revealing patterns of species loss and survival. The study of mass extinctions provides valuable insights into the factors that drive ecological disruptions and shape the subsequent recovery of life. Understanding past extinctions is crucial for assessing the current biodiversity crisis and developing conservation strategies to protect vulnerable species and ecosystems. Microevolutionary biology. Fossils provide crucial evidence for microevolutionary theory, showing how species have changed, inside a genus, or not changed over millions of years. By examining fossilized organisms, paleontologists can observe morphological changes and anatomical adaptations inside a genus that occurred during the course of microevolution. Fossils help in tracing the sudden arrival and diversification of different lineages, documenting similarities and dissimilarities between species. Comparative analysis of fossils with extant organisms allows scientists to study microevolutionary patterns, such as adaptive radiations, convergent microevolution, and stasis. No significant change in species for millions of years. Fossils provide a unique temporal perspective, bridging the gaps between different stages of microevolutionary history and contributing to our understanding of the processes that have shaped life's diversity on Earth. Paleobotany. The study of fossil plants, including prehistoric plants and plant-like organisms, informs about ancient climates and environments. Paleobotany examines fossilized plant remains, including seeds, pollen, leaves, and wood, to reconstruct past ecosystems and understand the microevolution of plants through time. Fossil plants provide valuable information about ancient climates, vegetation types, and ecological interactions. By studying plant fossils, paleobotanists can determine past distributions of plant communities, assess changes in plant diversity, and investigate the coevolution between plants and other organisms. This knowledge contributes to our understanding of Earth's past environments, the history of terrestrial ecosystems, and the role of plants in shaping the planet's biosphere. Paleoclimatology. Fossil evidence can provide valuable data about Earth's past climates, contributing to our understanding of current climate change. Paleoclimatology uses various types of fossil evidence, such as isotopes, pollen, and geochemical indicators, to reconstruct past climate conditions and understand long-term climate trends. By studying ancient climate records preserved in sediments, ice cores, and cave formations, scientists can infer past temperature, precipitation patterns, and atmospheric compositions. This information helps in contextualizing the current climate change and assessing the natural variability of climate systems. Paleoclimatology provides insights into the sensitivity of Earth's climate to different forcings, informs climate models, and aids in predicting future climate scenarios. Paleoecology. This discipline uses fossils to reconstruct ancient ecosystems and understand how organisms interacted with each other and their environment. Paleoecology combines paleontological and ecological principles to study the structure and dynamics of past ecosystems. By examining the fossil record, paleoecologists can identify species assemblages, reconstruct food webs, and investigate ecological interactions and trophic relationships. This approach provides insights into the distribution, abundance, and diversity of organisms, as well as the environmental conditions that shaped ancient ecosystems. Understanding past ecosystems and their responses to environmental changes helps in predicting future ecological dynamics and supports conservation efforts. Fossil preparation and curation. The delicate work of preparing and preserving fossils is crucial for scientific study and public display. Fossil preparation involves removing surrounding rock and sediment to expose the fossil specimen while ensuring its integrity and minimizing damage. Skilled technicians and paleontologists use specialized tools and techniques to carefully extract, clean, stabilize, and document fossils. Once prepared, fossils are curated in museums, research institutions, or collections, where they are stored, cataloged, and made available for study and public exhibition. Proper fossil preparation and curation are essential for preserving valuable scientific information and facilitating ongoing research and education in paleontology. Dating techniques. Methods like radiometric dating provide accurate estimates of how old a fossil is, helping to place it in its correct historical context. Dating techniques in paleontology allow scientists to determine the age of fossils and the surrounding sedimentary rocks. Radiometric dating, based on the decay of radioactive isotopes, is commonly used to establish absolute ages. Other methods, such as biostratigraphy and paleomagnetism, provide relative dating by comparing fossil assemblages or the Earth's magnetic field reversals, respectively. By applying dating techniques, paleontologists can establish the chronology of fossils, refine the geologic time scale, and reconstruct the sequence of life's history. Accurate dating is crucial for understanding evolutionary patterns, correlating fossil assemblages across different regions, and investigating the causes and consequences of ancient environmental changes. Paleoanthropology, the study of the sudden appearance of modern humans through fossil remains and artifacts. Paleoanthropology focuses on the fossil record of early human ancestors and the investigation of their evolutionary relationships. By examining fossilized bones, teeth, and stone tools, paleoanthropologists can reconstruct the morphology, behavior, and microevolutionary history of the separate bushes of life, ape-like creatures in one bush of life, and different varieties of modern humans in another bush of life. Fossil discoveries, such as the Australopithecines and Homo species, have provided crucial insights into the origins of bipedalism, the development of larger brains, and the emergence of cultural behaviors. Paleoanthropology helps us understand the biological and behavioral changes of varieties of Homo sapiens inside the human bush of life, and sheds light on the fact that we are in a separate bush of life from the rest of the biosphere. Paleoichnology, the study of trace fossils, such as footprints or burrows, which can provide information about an animal's behavior and environment. Trace fossils are indirect evidence of past life activities, including tracks, trails, burrows, and coprolites, fossilized feces. By studying trace fossils, paleoichnologists can infer the behavior, locomotion, feeding habits, and social interactions of ancient organisms. Trace fossils also provide insights into ancient ecosystems, helping reconstruct paleoenvironments, identify trophic interactions, and understand the behavior of extinct species. The study of trace fossils complements the analysis of body fossils and enhances our understanding of ancient life and the processes that have shaped Earth's history. Paleoart. This form of artwork attempts to accurately reconstruct and depict prehistoric life based on the fossil record and scientific understanding. Paleoart combines scientific knowledge, artistic skills, and imagination to create visual representations of extinct organisms in ancient environments. Paleoartists work closely with paleontologists to ensure scientific accuracy in their depictions, incorporating the latest scientific discoveries and interpretations. Through illustrations, paintings, sculptures, and digital reconstructions, paleoart brings ancient life to the public, sparking fascination and enhancing our understanding and appreciation of the diversity and grandeur of past ecosystems. Comparative anatomy. Comparing the anatomy of fossils with modern organisms can provide insights into functional adaptations. Comparative anatomy involves analyzing the similarities and differences in the structures and anatomical features of organisms. By examining fossilized bones, teeth, and other preserved remains, paleontologists can compare their morphology with that of extant organisms, identifying shared characteristics and discerning evolutionary relationships. Comparative anatomy helps reconstruct the functional adaptations of extinct species, understand their ecological roles, and investigate the evolutionary transitions between different groups of organisms. This approach provides a deeper understanding of the anatomical changes that have occurred throughout evolutionary history. Dinosaur paleontology. The study of dinosaur fossils has captured public imagination and greatly informed our knowledge of this extinct group. Dinosaur paleontology focuses on the study of fossils from the diverse group of reptiles that dominated terrestrial ecosystems for over 160 million years. By examining dinosaur fossils, paleontologists have identified numerous species, documented their anatomy and behaviors, and reconstructed their ecological roles. The study of dinosaurs has revealed important insights into topics such as dinosaur evolution, locomotion, reproduction, and the coexistence of different dinosaur species. Dinosaur paleontology continues to uncover new discoveries, challenging previous assumptions, and expanding our understanding of these remarkable ancient creatures. Microfossils. Tiny fossils, such as foraminifera, can provide important information about past environments and are used in biostratigraphy. Microfossils are the microscopic remains or fossils of ancient organisms, including plankton, algae, and microorganisms. By studying microfossils, paleontologists can reconstruct past environments, such as ancient ocean conditions and climate patterns. Microfossils are particularly useful in biostratigraphy, a method of dating and correlating rock layers based on the presence of distinctive fossil assemblages. These small fossils provide valuable insights into Earth's past ecosystems, climatic changes, and microevolutionary trends at microscopic scales. Taphonomy. The study of the processes of decay, preservation, and the formation of fossils in their geological context. Taphonomy examines how organisms become preserved as fossils and the various factors that affect their preservation. It encompasses processes such as decay, fossilization, burial, diagenesis, and erosion. By studying taphonomy, paleontologists can understand the biases and limitations of the fossil record, assess the quality and completeness of fossil specimens, and interpret the paleoecological information preserved in fossils. Taphonomic studies provide insights into the conditions and processes that influence the fossilization of organisms, shedding light on the biases and gaps in our knowledge of ancient life. Marine paleontology. Study of marine animal fossils, such as ammonites and trilobites, providing data on ancient marine environments. Marine paleontology focuses on the study of fossilized organisms that inhabited ancient oceans and seas. By examining marine fossils, paleontologists can reconstruct past marine ecosystems, understand ancient oceanic conditions, and investigate the microevolutionary history of bushes of marine life. Marine fossils, such as ammonites, brachiopods, and coral reefs, provide valuable data on the diversity, ecology, and paleobiogeography of ancient marine organisms. The study of marine paleontology contributes to our understanding of the microevolution of bushes of marine life and the geological processes that have shaped Earth's oceans. Vertebrate paleontology. The study of vertebrate fossils, from primitive fishes to mammals, enabling insights into their microevolution, inside a local bush of life, inside a species, genus, family. Vertebrate paleontology focuses on the study of fossilized animals with backbones, including fish, reptiles, birds, and mammals. By examining vertebrate fossils, paleontologists can trace the microevolutionary history of different vertebrate groups, understand their anatomical adaptations, and reconstruct ancient ecosystems. Vertebrate fossils provide insights into topics such as the sudden appearance, rather than evolution, of flight, the sudden appearance of land creatures, rather than gradual transition, from water to land, and the sudden emergence of mammalian characteristics. The study of vertebrate paleontology contributes to our understanding of the diversity and microevolutionary patterns of vertebrate life on Earth. Invertebrate paleontology, the examination of invertebrate animal fossils, such as mollusks and insects, providing crucial evidence about life's history. Invertebrate paleontology focuses on the study of fossilized animals without backbones, such as sponges, corals, mollusks, arthropods, and echinoderms. By analyzing invertebrate fossils, paleontologists can reconstruct ancient ecosystems, track microevolutionary trends within invertebrate groups, and investigate the ecological roles of these organisms in past environments. Invertebrate fossils provide valuable information about the diversification, adaptations, and extinctions of invertebrate life forms throughout Earth's history. The study of invertebrate paleontology enhances our understanding of the microevolution and ecological dynamics of invertebrate organisms. Paleoenvironmental reconstruction. Paleontologists use fossils to reconstruct the environments in which ancient organisms lived. By examining fossil assemblages and their associated sedimentary rocks, paleontologists can infer the environmental conditions, such as climate, geography, and habitats, that existed in the past. Fossils provide clues about the temperature preferences, ecological interactions, and resource availability of ancient organisms. Paleoenvironmental reconstructions help us understand the long-term changes in Earth's ecosystems, the responses of organisms to environmental shifts, and the factors that have influenced the distribution and diversity of life throughout geological time. The future of paleontology. New technologies, such as 3D scanning and printing, are revolutionizing how we study and share fossils. As technology advances, paleontologists have access to innovative tools and techniques that enhance their ability to study fossils. Three-dimensional scanning and printing allow for detailed digital models and replicas of fossils, facilitating analysis, preservation, and education. High-resolution imaging techniques, such as CT scanning, provide insights into the internal structures of fossils without damaging them. Additionally, molecular techniques, such as ancient DNA analysis, are expanding the possibilities for studying ancient organisms and their genetic relationships. The future of paleontology holds great potential for uncovering new discoveries, refining our understanding of the past, and engaging the public through technological advancements. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment below if you agree, or would like to add your thoughts.